Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I'm so used to saying that I am a stay-at-home mom, but I am now a full-time working mom to an almost 2-year-old. So on this specific day, I really just tackled our bedroom. To be totally honest, I didn't get as much done today as I would have liked to get done. But one thing that I'm learning, being a mom, whether you stay at home or whether you do work full-time outside of the house, in the house, whatever that may look like for you, it's really taken me almost these 2 full years to realize and come to the realization that you can only do so much, and we need to really celebrate the little wins here. I mean, our bedroom was getting out of control, you guys, like totally out of control. And I'm really excited because this week my dad is actually painting my daughter's bedroom and our bedroom, and I am so excited for a little makeover, a little refresh in our bedroom. Since we moved in, as you can see, we don't have our curtain rods, we don't have anything on the walls, we don't have anything really to make this like special or personalized. Sorry, I guess I can't talk today, for myself and my husband. Of course, if you guys are interested in seeing kind of a makeover while it's happening or after the fact, I would love to share with you guys the makeover for my daughter's room we're doing. It's called Intimate White by Sherwin-Williams, and my sister's daughter, my niece, who, if you guys don't know, we just bought a house almost 5 months ago now next door to my sister. So it's been amazing but watching our children grow up together. I know it's only been such a short period of time, but it has been so special and so amazing. But anyway, my dad painted my niece's bedroom, and it is like the perfect, like muted blush pink for a little girl's bedroom. So I told my sister, I was like, we're copying it for our daughter, because how cute. They're neighbors, they're besties, they call each other sister. Like, it's always just been me and my sister. So it's so special to see the bond between our daughters, especially knowing how close like me and my sister are. And I found some old photos of our wedding that I wanted to share with you guys. Sorry, I'm jumping around in this voiceover. So yeah, basically I am just really excited. I was at Hobby Lobby probably a couple months ago, and their little girl section is, oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. So we didn't find out the gender for our daughter when we had her. So I did a very like neutral, I loved her nursery in our old home. I'll link the video if you guys haven't seen it. I'd love to share it with you guys. I loved it. But something about now how she's transitioning and changing in age, and she's going to be 2 soon. I am just so excited to give her this like pretty princess girly, toddler room, because of course, she didn't have that. And I know it's like, part of me is like, I know it's like just a room, but there's something, and I don't know what it is. Maybe if you're a mom, you can comment down below. Like, I am just so excited to give this to her. I don't know, like, to just make it cozy and princessy and girly and cute in there for her. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to make this a reality for my daughter. And it's also really special. I don't want to cry, but the fact that my dad is painting her bedroom. My dad is like our own personal carpenter. Like, I'm not here to like brag when I say that, but he is just so smart and so incredible. So I am so very thankful, and it's just so special. Like, he helped make so many changes in our last home and now in our new home to, have these changes be made to make our house feel more like a home. Like, it's really special. If you guys know, maybe I'm just rambling at this point, but also, I got a little sidetracked in this video, but I'm just showing you guys. I still had the tags on, and I finally took them off on this like Victoria's Secret. It's a shacket. I'm calling it a shacket. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I got it at the semi-annual sale, and I'm wearing it right now as I film this voiceover. I've been wearing it all day, and I love it. I love the color. I love the comfort of it. I wasn't sure about the P on the side, but it's actually adorable. And I was joking with my dad today. I was like, Dad, look, like I got this specially made because my maiden name, the last name starts with a P. So yeah, not true, but still cute. And I didn't mention this, but before, when I was rambling about, my feelings in life and stuff and my family or whatever, but I didn't mention one really big thing and a hack that has worked for me, you guys. I bought new activewear recently, like leggings. That's basically it, leggings. And I brought the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. But I really don't like when my leggings like pill or get dirty, whatever, not like dirty, but like pill and get like, worn and destroyed. I make a very specific point to wash all of my like workout leggings and clothes together. I wash them together. Sometimes I wash them with vinegar for the odor. I heard that's really good. Not just vinegar, but I add vinegar. And what I like to do is put them on a drying rack instead of in the dryer. And so far, so good. They feel buttery, soft, clean, smooth every single time. So I just had to share that hack with you because I know sometimes I can get lazy in life and just throw a bunch of, our clothes together, like mine, my daughter's, my husband's. And I do that with most of our laundry, but this hack like really works, and it's worth taking the extra time to separate your workout clothes because I just don't like that feeling when you throw on a pair of leggings and they're like pilled and gross. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But this does make a world of a difference if you wash them separately. I didn't mention this yet in this recording, and it was something that I was just thinking about, and I'm sure a lot of people, maybe you want to film a YouTube channel or show certain things of your life on the internet, but sometimes you may feel like, it's not very aesthetic or this or that, Our bedroom, definitely, it's not the cozy vibes that I want it to be right now. I mean, we moved in, it's functional, it works. I have, as you can see, a lot of things accumulated on not our nightstand, what is that? Like our dresser. And that's been there for a while. I'm not gonna lie, guys, like this bedroom needed a little bit of a refresh here. So either way, I still just want to share my life with you guys because this is our life. This is one day the house will get to where, it feels like everything is our very own. But I think if anything, being a homeowner, I've really learned it takes time to make a house a home. I know sometimes, for me at least, it can get easy to get caught up on social media and aesthetic and things that we see online, but like our house, our home, like it serves a greater purpose, I think, than some of us can sometimes realize. And it's such a blessing to live in, a home with like a roof over our heads. And things are just expensive these days. Like, I don't know how else to say it other than like, I feel it if you feel it. Like, it is the world that we do live in, but I think there is still so much beauty and there's so much opportunity for myself, at least, to slow down and be like, just very like thankful for the things that we do have. And I might not have the most aesthetic bedroom, but like, gosh, do I love like our blankets and our covers. Like, everything is just so us and so ours. And of course, one day I do want to like make the changes. And I know every step that we take, with house projects makes a world of a difference. We did a lot of house projects in our old house before we got pregnant with my daughter, and I loved it. My husband loved it. Like, we love home projects. It's like just a big part of who we are. But I think like being able to find the balance in motherhood between, working full time and, your partner working full time and balancing quality time with your family, because that's what's most important, like our health, most important. Eventually, yeah, of course, like I want my house to feel like our own home and like get things done to like a point that we love everything. And I walk in and it's, I love how everything looks, but at the same time, it's like our house serves such a greater purpose. And I do try to remind myself that like when we go in life, we're not going to be able to take everything with us. So like finding a good balance between like, of course, being happy and like, get the new bedspread or paint the walls or, purchase some pictures or fill some picture frames in your home and make it feel like yours. I kind of like lost my train of thought right there. Sorry guys, I'm rambling a lot, but just these are just thoughts that I have. And if you guys are having them too, like I just want you to know, like love your home for where it's at and for what you have. And it's something too that like, sometimes you get caught up and it's like, oh, well, we have to, I was just telling my dad this, like, well, we got to save more and we've got to do this more and we've got to, we got to catch up on this and that. And like, sometimes in life, it's like you got to live and let be and just enjoy the ride and the process and, do your best to not take things for granted. So I don't know, just some thoughts here as I'm tidying up this bedroom today. I don't know if I overshared. It's kind of hard on the internet because it's like, just in life in general these days, like so many things can be misconstrued easily, but I don't know. I'm just trying to speak from like the heart and like my mind and my actual thoughts and what's going on while sharing it with you guys. But either way, I'm still so happy with the progress that I did make cleaning our bedroom, because now watching this back, like I get to go home to a nice clean bedroom tonight with my husband. And yeah, also this is super random, but I made this little bin for my daughter and I got these pink Amazon files, on Amazon, but little like pink filing folders, and it's just my favorite thing because I can keep special crafts that my daughter makes. Like I know I'm not going to keep everything, but right now being, a newer mom, every little thing she comes home with from daycare, I'm like, I want to keep this forever. Like look at those little fingerprints and these little crafts, and I don't know, this little yellow paper that she puts stickers on. Like it's just, I love it, and I want to keep it all. Okay, leave a comment down below. What do you have for a vacuum at your home? I think we still have it, but we got a Dyson as a wedding gift and it was not cheap. Actually, like now that I'm thinking about it, insanity. And it already is breaking on us. But I did get, when we purchased our new home, this Shark vacuum. And the reason being we have carpets, which our carpets are a different story, but we're going to recenter ourselves and just like focus on the good here. But let me know what you guys have for a vacuum at home, because I love this Shark vacuum. It is like the best. I don't love the cord. I do. Let me know if anyone else does this. I will like flip the cord over my shoulder to get it out of the way. I don't know if I should like hold it with my hand. That doesn't really work for me. So let me know if you guys do that too. I'm curious. All right, well, I feel like the video is coming to an end and I'm getting ready to chop my hair off at a hair appointment, which I'm really excited about. But I just wanted to thank you guys for being here today. I know this is a very rambly video. I didn't focus too much on the actual cleaning and voiceovering, but we did our best. Thank you guys so much for being here today and for watching my video. Please leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part? And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.